So if I open our main map, here you can see everything is larger now. So basically we changed this icon for our mini map, but it's became so big on our big map, so we have to make them separately. In our actor component, point of interest, in style, point of interest size, let's rename this to mini point of interest size. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this one. This is going to be big map point of interest size. Okay, let's set this to 40. Let's drag it. Oops, I'm going to drag it up like that. Okay, now in our big map, open this point of interest. In graph setting, we have to get big map point of interest size. Just plug it right here, and we have to remove this one. That's all we have to do right here. We don't have to do anything in our mini map. We don't have to do anything, it's already set here. So now if I open our main map, here you can see it's different from our mini map scale value. I think also you can there is no point of interest. No way. Okay, also you can adjust that size from here, big map point of interest size and mini map point of interest size. Let's set this to 100. Here you can see it's became 100, so we don't want to do that. Let's set this to default.